Okay, last 2 nights, I pray to God that this is going to come out. I've been hearing what sounds like motors or like airplanes, and the noise is just constant for like at least an hour. Now, this has been going for almost 2 minutes. I still hear it off in the distance a little bit. It's still there, but it did fade. This is going on for an hour, like an entire hour, between 3 and 6 in the morning, right? And here we are. It's like 6 o'clock, a little bit after 6 now. And I hear this constant motor. What sounds like airplanes. Again. So the mystery deepens. I saw one guy on YouTube. He said that it's because of a compression plant, and they were purging their lines. A compression plant for propane and natural gas. And so I said, well, that could make sense. But these hills, they were mined in the 50s. I'm not sure if we really have a compression plant at this point. I know there's natural gas around, but I don't know if it's still around. So, yeah, that is... See? You hear, now that sounds like a helicopter, right? Now it's gone. So I don't know. Maybe it could be drones off in the distance. I'm not really sure. We've had people spying on our property with their drones before. And one went down on our property. But it's been sounding like constant airplanes for like an extended period of time. You know, airplanes, they got a place to go, so they're not just going to hang out and hover around. So, all right. I'm going to come out here tomorrow again and see if I hear the same sound or if this has just been isolated to the last couple of days.